special counter-terrorism forces have launched search operations in dense forests near the line of control in Kashmir Valley. These highly trained units are operating in tough terrains where inputs suggest the presence of terrorists using abandoned forest structures, locally known as duaks or as hideouts, as we call it. Arawat, who's filed several reports to give you a sense of what they look like. Take a look.
Seen that the mega anti-terror operation is on across the Jammu and Kashmir, and this time we have seen that the special forces are conducting a search at the sensitive forest areas in the various parts of the Kashmir Valley. This time you can see the exclusive visuals. We will not reveal the location where this ongoing operation is going on, but you can see the special forces are doing the operation right now here in the various sensitive areas of the Kashmir Valley. Also, if my Vijay can pan camera to this side, and you can see that how these special forces are going inside the forest areas at the sensitive locations in the Kashmir Valley. We have already seen that these kind of operations are taking place in the multiple locations of the Kashmir Valley. This all comes when we have seen the deadly terror attack in the South Kashmir's Pahalgam, where we have seen that the 26 civilians lost their lives in the deadly terror attack. But we have seen that these special forces have taken their positions now in the dense forests. Also, this operation was launched after these forces received the intelligence-based input about the presence of some terrorists in this area. Then after, the forces are heading towards the sensitive spots in the forward locations across the Kashmir Valley. This all comes when we have seen the deadly terror attack in the South Kashmir's Pahalgam, and you can see how these troopers are having their different communication, and then after they are moving toward the target point. And these are the exclusive visuals that Republic is showing you, and we have seen that the forces have committed to revenge the Pahalgam terror attack. We have seen the forces in the special forces have also joined in this operation, and this time we have seen they are going towards the target where the input was received by the special forces about the presence of some terrorists in the area. Then after, we have seen these special forces are doing operation along the line of control. We have seen also that the back-to-back ceasefire violation by the Pakistani troopers on the Indian post, but we have also seen that the Indian army is giving them the befitting reply. But this time we have seen that the mega anti-terror operation is not only here underway, but across the various districts of the Jammu and Kashmir where these kind of operations are taking place. We will also show you how the troopers are deployed here, and now what next they are going to do. And also this will be the completely exclusive only on the Republic TV, that how the troopers are here and they are going toward the forward locations. For the security reasons, we will not reveal the location of this area for the security reasons. But yes, you can see that the special forces are holding the arms and ammunition along with him, and they are moving toward the forest areas. If my Vijay can pan camera to this side, and you can see the deployment of the special forces in the dense forests. And also we have seen the entire area has been cordoned off by the joint security forces. This operation has been launched after when we have seen the multiple intelligence reports suggest that terrorists might try to strike a few locations in the Kashmir Valley. But we have seen that the high alert has been issued across the Jammu and Kashmir, from line of control areas to the cities and towns of the Kashmir Valley. We are here at the line of control area, and we have seen that how special forces are conducted anti-terror operations in the Kashmir Valley. We have seen recently the deadly terror attack in the South Kashmir's Pahalgam, in which we have seen that the 26 civilians lost their lives. And then after, we have seen these kind of operations are taking place across the Kashmir Valley, not here only. Due to security reasons, we will not reveal the location where this ongoing operation is going on. But yes, you can see here in the visuals how the special forces have received intelligence-based input about the presence of some terrorists in the area. Then after, we have seen the special forces are in action, and you can see the cordon and search operation have been started. And you can see this is the line of control area in the Kashmir Valley. But yes, you can see the forces here are moving and they are going to under the docks. Docks are being used by the terrorists to take shelter in the dense forest areas. And after receiving intelligence-based input, the Jawans are going inside the bunkers. Also, we have seen that the area is being monitored by the drone surveillance. Also, we have seen that the senior officials from the BSF, Jammu and Kashmir Police, Rashtra Rifles are monitoring the operation locations very closely. We have been told by the forces to follow all the precautions. Then after we are covering this operation, and you can see these are the exclusive visuals that Republic is showing you. We have seen the deadly encounter in the parts of the Kashmir Valley earlier, but this time it's a unique operation here, and you can see these bunkers and these structures are being used by the terrorists, as we have been told. Then after we have seen the search have been started here, and you can see that the door-to-door search is already going on in the plains, but line of control areas. It indicates that the alertness of the forces from line of control areas to the and towns of the Kashmir Valley, that the forces are all set to take the Pahalgam's revenge as soon as possible. But right now, these are the exclusive visuals that Republic is showing you, that how forces are conducting operation inside the forest areas near the line of control area in the Kashmir Valley. We have already seen the same kind of operations which started from the Pahalgam, the deadly terror attack site, to parts of the Kashmir Valley, where we have seen the input was received by the forces that there is also some source-based input. The terrorists might try to attack few locations in the Kashmir Valley, but yes, we have seen that the forces are here, and we have seen everything is being monitored by the forces from the line of control areas, from the snow-covered glaciers to plains of the Kashmir Valley. We have seen that the same kind of operations are taking place in the Kashmir. Also, we have been told that there are 33 locations across the Kashmir Valley where the coordinated search operations are taking place from the day when we have seen the deadly terror attack in the Pahalgam. Right now, we are in the forward location in the line of control in the Kashmir Valley. But yes, we will get you more details what's happening here, how the forces and the special forces are conducting these kind of operations in the deep and the dense forests. It was a bit difficult for the forces to conduct operation in the dense forests and the difficult terrains in the challenging weather. But yes, we have seen our forces are capable to take revenge as soon as possible.